morning, ma'am. My report is only the continuation of Miss Dakanay. My topic is all about the types of hostage takers and negotiation guidelines. And also for the introduction of my report, it says that hostage taking incident vary depending on type and motivation of the perpetrator. And also, understanding these types help negotiators apply the right strategies to ensure the safety of hostages. As we know naman, di ba, when we say hostage, it is a person na ginustage niya sa mga tao. And right now, it says that an incident kuno hostage taking nakadepende kuno ha klase ngan motivation ng usa nga perpetrator. Nga nakabutang nga di understanding these types helps negotiators apply the right strategies to ensure the safety of hostages. As well as di ba kay pag hostage gapon pag negotiate han hostage kailangan gapon iton kay crucial para kinabuhihan iya gin hostage. And also this presentation covers number 1, the situational stress reactor. The second is the professional criminal. And the third is the terrorist. For the objectives of this topic, number 1, to identify different types of hostage takers and their behavior. Diba? Una amo iton. The second is to understand proper negotiation approaches for each type. And the third, to recognize the needs and motivation behind hostage situation. And for the number 1 is the hostage taker. 5, the situational reactor. This kind of hostage taker has the following characteristic. Makikita natin na number 1 characteristic of hostage taker is no history of mental disorder. Di ba pag sobrang kita na no history of mental disorder, waray ko diya historian mental defect or waray ko diya sira haya pag-iisip. As you see the picture na adi nga din na babae na nagpapakitahan no history of mental disorder. And the second is the clearly identified precipitating events that lead to the hostage taking. Di ba pandua naman is na nagpapakita gyapon nga is the clearly identified na precipitating events that lead to the hostage taking na naglead ngadtuhan ang pan-hostage sa nga tao. And also increase anxiety or agitation. Usa gyapon na karakteristika no sa nga hostage taker is an iya gyapon tawag iton pag-increase ni anxiety. Possible nga nagleads ngadtuhan iya pag possible nga nagleads ngadtuhan iya pag hostages an iya gyapon anxiety nga iya kwan na experience gyapon bilang sa tao. And also that fourth is the depressed. Usa nga characteristic gyapon usa nga hostage taker na nakundiin depressed danay na kaya mo hirahin danay na hostage hira tungod gyapon era depression nga natatabo era. And also may feel hopeless, helpless and out of control. Nga nakundiin possible nga usa gyapon na characteristic usa nga tawag ito ng usang hostage taker is danay gapon helpless era, hopeless and out of control na kundi nga amo to na nag-force era or nag-leads nga era nga para makagbuhat kumitin usang pan-hostage gapon. And also the last one is feels that there's no clear and acceptable opinion for him or for her. As you say in the picture gapon, di ba makikita gapon yung mabasehan niyo nga amo ko talaga ito nga halas gapon nag-emphasize gapon nga di nga ano sa nga characteristic sa hostage taker na nakundin out of place ra na nakundin na feel gapon nira nga waray labot herang tao nga amo to na nakapaglidera nga para man hostage gapon amo to usang characteristic nga amo to mga pipirang karakteristikan nga usang hostage taker. And also, the following is the negotiation guidelines. When we say negotiation guidelines, amoy ni ang mga butang nga dapat buhaton halos nga responder. Kuan niya pag negotiate halos nga hostage taker. Number 1, allow him to ventilate his feeling. kung as you see the picture naman, di ba, makikita niyo picture na nakundin ano sa nga hostage taker igalaw lahiya nga ma-ventilate or ventilate his feeling or pamatian mo la kung ano iya mga feeling, kung ano iya mahinanaing haya kinabuhi, di ba? Kay possible mga depression la ito na natatabo kung kaya nagkukumitira hano sa nga crime. It also then try to get him to describe events as objectively as possible. Na kung din i-try gapon na i-describe haya panitabo kung ano iya gimbubuhat para gapon ma-realize niya nga maligod talaga niya ginhimo. And also give him go back over the options he has ruled out. And also review his description of events and then place him in a more objective and rational perspective. Then ako din i-review gapon nimo kung ang mga events gapon then place him in a more objective and rational perspective. And also the hostage taker 6, the professional criminal. This is usually the easiest type of hostage taker to deal with, considering he is a relative rational thinking. After assessing the situation and weighing the odds, in most cases, these types of hostage taker can easily come to the terms with the police. Na kung diin pag sumugod ka na kita na professional criminal, amin yan mga higara na good na mga criminal or higara na good dira magbuhatan mga butang nga pan criminal gapon. Nga damo gapon na nasugad nga nga, it is the easiest type of hostage to deal with kay matuod man good pag professional criminal nga ni maaram na hiran ira ginhimo. Ngan usa pa anira butang nga karoy kuwao ni sa mga butang la so gadin nagkukuha nila kwarta so dito or gamit or karoy lang nirahin something so dito na mga butang. Ngan diri gapon ito nga prone hakuan when it comes sa mga or safetyhan usa nga victiman tawag ito hostage. And also to negotiation guidelines show force but refrain from unnecessary violence or useless killing. Na kung din para negotiation guidelines naman magpakita kagyapon force pero diri dapat unnecessary violence or useless killing usa nga tao. What I mean is iton ba nga useless killing patayon nimo an offenders. Diri sa dito magpakita ka la force but do not use killing or useless killing. Ito na unprofessional thing, criminal. And that last gapon, last is the hostage taker, the terrorist. As you see the picture naman, di ba, nagpapakita yan nga, mga terorista. This is a more difficult hostage situation, and terrorists may be viewed and psychopath with a cause operating under a leader of the group. When caught, they rationalize their act by citing religious or political ideologies. In addition, they are resolved to die for the cause. Na kundi, di ba, makikita naman nimo nga mga terorista, di ba, kaurugan na nagko-commit ng hostage taking is the terrorist gapon. Na kundi, ang terrorist, nakaputang nga, it indicates that this hostage is the difficult situation. Na kundi, di ba, pag mag-terrorist nga nihin, kaya good nira, mamatay para nira ginbubuhat. Di ba ito na warera labot kung mamatay man nila kay tungod man good they are terrorists and they are willing to die for the cause gyapon, di ba? To deal with the negotiation guidelines, their causes may deteriorate in the passage in time. In any case, if they kill one of the several hostage, the negotiation must exhaust all means possible to save the remaining hostage, as the hostage taker will likely kill them all. Na kung diin, nakabutang gapon nga if their causes may deteriorate in the passage tab the time, kailangan gud nila maniguro na just in case nga ang mga terorista nakabutang nga din nga kung makapatay nila several hostages, ang kailangan ng mga negotiators must move possible na mag-move go din malaksi para masib gyapon nila ang mga remaining nga mga hostages ngan possible nga ang mga hostage taker nga possible patayon na nila ang mga nisasalin. Ngan amoy ito kailangan gud nila magkiwahin temprano para gyapon masiban mga natitira pa ng mga mga hostage. In summary, the text explains three types of hostage takers and how to deal with them. The situational stress reactors act out due to extreme stress, feeling hopeless and out of control. Negotiators should let them express feelings and guide them calmly. The professional criminals is rational and negotiates logically. Force should be shown but violence avoided. The terrorist driven by ideology or cause, making negotiation difficult, saving hostages becomes the top priority. Hostage takers usually have instrument need basically survival and expressive needs, power, respect, and self-worth that must be understood, resolve the crisis peacefully. Nanakundayin amo to ang summary na nakundayin may three types na hostage taker na nakundayin mga hostage taker kailangan gaponin pamatian naton kun ano yung gapon mga feelings kay matubang good possible nga mga depressed la ito nira. And also kailangan gapon masib gapon an kinabuhian mga hostage na ira gino-hostage. And for the summary, di ba, ada naman. And thank you for listening and amo lad to ma'am and have a nice day.